Hello and welcome back to Quick Tips. In this video we're going to talk a little bit about converting a PDF into a presentation. For today's demo I'm just going to use this Canvas style guide and convert it from a PDF into a presentation that I can use in front of clients or class. To get started, be sure you're using the full version of Acrobat, not Reader. Select Menu, choose Export PDF, and then choose Microsoft PowerPoint. Save your file, and it should automatically open as slides in PowerPoint. This will even give you the option to edit your slides. Let's take it a step further. If you're like me, and I know I am, I'm not a huge fan of PowerPoint. I much prefer to use Adobe Express. So if I go to the purple plus button, search for presentation, select the presentation option, and choose add, I can add the PowerPoint file to my presentation. I'm going to select upload, select the Canvas style guide PowerPoint, and choose open. It will ask me if I want to import a presentation, and I will select import. After a few moments, my presentation will be uploaded right here into Express. Now, with both PowerPoint and Express, if you ever have an issue if something's moved incorrectly, you can adjust that by simply selecting the object and moving it. If you need to change type, you can click in and adjust your type. If you need to adjust your text box, you can grab the edge and adjust that. Remember, if you have any videos or media in your presentation, it might not import properly into Express. Well, that's it for this week. Hope to see you again next week for another quick tip.